how hopeful are all of you that a vibrant Goa of this scale can really try and address some of the pain points?
Tourism will have a special place, and we have mining also here, which has a special place. But then all these things have similar policies. Like if you talk about GST, GST affects mining and tourism as much as it affects auto sector. So it's no different. I mean, you can't have a different GST policy for mining sector and a different sector for auto sector.
The new chief minister has taken it up extremely well, and he brings in a fresh amount of young energy. And Vibrant Goa is one of the testimonies for that, because this is the first time, and this is the first time such an idea has been implemented.
Because when there has been a rustic governance for such a long period, it's going to take some time. And we are ready to give that time to the current Chief Minister and his team to put these things in place so that there is industrial growth happening in Goa again.
Okay.
Half of Goa this side is covered with the mountains, and this side you are telling us not to develop for 500 meters. So how can tourism develop? So I guess that even if the industry wants to do something, it is the laws of the land will have to be changed. Yes, environmental conservation is very, very important. We do need to take care of environment, but we also need to understand the fact that all the tourism growing economies of the world, be it Thailand, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Dubai, all these places have developed much, much closer to the water bodies without disturbing the ecosystem.
So
Goa is beautiful. It has industry, it has tourism, it has what it has. The question is, how much do you want to grow?
Yeah.
Like you got 3 casinos. No, the whole country doesn't have casinos. You have casino. So where's the law against casinos? It's there. And you were able to do it. It's about leadership. It has nothing to do with the law. If you have great leadership, you can do anything. When we started metro in Mumbai, we got 16 kilometers in 70 years. Now we are going to do 300 kilometers in 5 years. It's nothing to do with the whole thing. There are problems, there are activists, there are problems, there are difficulties. Everything is going to be there. There's nowhere in the world where there is no problem.